Here's how to make supermarket-style egg salad sandwiches. Use white bread, brown bread. Lettuce is optional. You can also turn them into mini sandwiches for a party tray. I will show you how. Come. Add boiling water into a pot of 3 large eggs, 1 egg per 2 slices of bread. Bring the water to a boil and boil for 11 minutes. If you want to save electricity, you can turn off the stove after 8 minutes and let it sit until the 11th minute. After 11 minutes, turn off the stove and run cold tap water over the boiled eggs to cool down the hot water. Then pour it out. Then starting with the bottom part of the egg, tap the egg against the pan to crack the shell. Then run cold water over it. This will help the egg contract from the shell, which makes peeling easier. Peel the egg starting from its bottom wider end. There's a small air pocket there, which makes it easier to slip our fingers under the shell and begin peeling. Like this. See how easy it is? Let's take a look again. Start from the bottom, slip your finger in, and rotate and peel through the egg. Cover and chill eggs in the fridge overnight or at least an hour to allow the eggs to fully set. If you don't have time, you can also put the eggs in an ice water bath for at least 10 minutes. Putting warm hard-boiled egg whites into the food processor may cause its texture to be slightly gelatinous or gummy. These are the refrigerated hard-boiled eggs and my mini food processor. If you don't have one, you can use a knife. Start off by separating the egg whites from the egg yolk. Place the egg whites into the food processor and the egg yolks into a bowl. Like this. Cover the food processor and process it for a few seconds until it is diced. This is the size of chopped egg whites we are looking for. Add a tablespoon of your choice of mayonnaise. I use half the fat mayo. Then use a fork to mash the egg yolks. If the boiling and cooling steps were done properly, then the consistency of mashed egg yolks will look like this, dry and crumbly. After the yolks are mashed, mash in the mayonnaise to form an egg yolk paste like this. This is the consistency we're looking for. Sprinkle an optional 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper and add chopped egg whites into the yolk paste. Mix the egg whites into the yolk paste, then add half to 1 tablespoon of mayo to bind the egg salad together. Like this. Let's make egg salad sandwich. Take 2 slices of your favorite bread. This one is homemade Japanese milk bread. Spread a thin layer of mayo on each side. The mayo acts like a glue to hold the filling in place. Add the egg salad on one side and spread it evenly. If you like, layer some washed dried lettuce and top the sandwich with the second slice. Using a bread knife, cut diagonally through the middle. And there you have it, a classic egg salad sandwich on white bread. For party platters, make a second diagonal cut the other way to form 4 neat triangle sandwiches. You can also make this on whole wheat bread without lettuce or with lettuce. You decide. And that's it. I hope you give this a try and let me know in the comments how you like it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.